shock, huh? Something must be really on your mind. Here, come on. Have some. Looks like you could use it. Fine. Uncle Sam. It's because I ran over your dog. It's okay, I ran over him a couple times afterwards. Make sure he was put out of his misery. Yeah, I was on my way to the vet's office when I ran over a fucking deer. Now that's irony. Funniest shit ever. Sure you don't want any? Oh, Uncle Sam. If I ever taught you about the birds and the bees, let's talk about the birds and the bees. See that? Feel it. Jim. That's power. Whatever happened to power? You'd miss it if you ever had it. Stop. Now you see, when you got your giddy-up saddle on the buck, you just gotta take that cord, put it in the mechanical bowl, and just let it go. That's what love is. Now, let me show you how to put a condom on the right way. Take this brush, for example. Fuck it, you don't need it. See? Just like you don't need a condom. All that you need, the kind of shit that you got in your biceps, triceps, and triceps. Fuck Lincoln. This one's for Uncle Sam. Alright, so take your ear, for example. No, Sharon, there's been studies. No, you won't go deaf. Maybe for a little bit. Okay, maybe forever. You might need to use hearing aids. Or the hearing aid's gonna be a problem. Why don't I just take them out? You can't, but I can't hear. Well, of course you can't hear. My cock's in your ear. It doesn't matter if there's fucking hearing aids there. How the hell am I even talking to you? You're deaf as shit. Don't make it weird. I don't even know why I'm here. Shit, I ain't even your fucking dad. Oh shit. What the fuck?